Jesus loves you. Nah, Jesus loves you. Ahaba, Jesus loves you.
Okay ba yan sa'yo? Okay ba? Okay? Usapan natin yan ha. Usap natin yan ha. Dapat susunod ka sa usapan natin. Tama? Agree ka ba doon? Agree siya. That's great. So, kailangan matuto ka ng maglakad. Okay?